Hello, I'm Arul Chib, Director of the SIRC, a research institute based at the Wee Kim Wee School of Communication and Information at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. Welcome. At SIRC, we investigate the impact of emerging ICTs on communities and individuals from a global perspective. Our research covers social consequences and behavior change caused by the adoption and usage of increasingly diffused ICTs. On the other hand, we critically analyze the transformative potential of these emergent ICTs and their contributions to human development and well-being. Finally, we engage with policymakers, practitioners, and interested publics in an attempt to translate research findings into governance tools and as a means to influence public opinion with greater scientific knowledge. As SIRC is committed to a research-focused approach through extensive collaboration, we have developed a range of global partnerships. Some of our partners include the International Development Research Center, Red Cross Red Crescent, Dalian University, the Center for Internet and Society, and European University Vadrina. The SIRC is also proud to be a member of the network of centers, which includes the Berkman Center for Internet and Society at Harvard University, Oxford Internet Institute, MIT Center for Civic Media, United Nations University Institute of Computing and Society, and a host of others. Today I would like to tell you about one of our main projects, currently in its third edition, the Strengthening Information Society Research Capacity Alliance, quite a mouthful, also known as SIRCA III. For our first edition in 2008, SIRCA focused on providing awards to emerging scholars in Asia to build capacities in the area of research on ICT for D. In 2011, SIRCA II aimed at an ambitious scaling up of the program towards a global reach. SIRCA II was launched as an information society capacity building project aimed at young and emerging researchers in the global south. I'm pleased to announce that the third edition of the SIRCA program started earlier this year, this time with a different approach. While we still consider capacity building an integral component of our program, the objectives have now expanded towards providing strategic leadership in theory development. The Research Grant Award focuses on cross-cutting theoretical frameworks in the area of openness and development. Now you might very well ask, what is open development? Well, predicated on the increasing spread of ICT solutions, new digital forms of openness are increasingly being promoted and implemented in the developing country context. However, evidence is still scant as to whether or not, how, and under what circumstances openness actually contributes to solving development programs. It is here that SIRCA focuses its endeavors. The SIRCA III program comprises two phases, a theoretical phase across 2015-16, leading and merging into an empirical phase across 2016-17. We are extremely glad to announce the award of 6 projects to multidisciplinary teams from Asia, Africa, and even Europe and both of the Americas, extending the global reach of SIRCA even further. In mid-2016, a second call for proposals seeks researchers from developing countries to conduct empirical research, although this will be in close collaboration with the theoretical teams. Meanwhile, the SIRCA Secretariat will work closely with these global teams throughout the program to synthesize results, firstly, as well as to influence policy and public opinion. Do learn more about SIRCA and SIRC at sirc.ntu.edu.sg and specifically about the SIRCA III program at sirca.org.sg. We welcome you to engage with our programs at the center. Look out for opportunities coming your way in the not too distant future. Thanks for listening and see you soon in Singapore or at one of our global workshops. Goodbye.